Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another tie-dye. Flop it on down. This one's so long, man. This is a lot of real estate.
Ew, it's like almost frozen.
I know. It's very cold out here, people.
What are we gonna do when it gets cold? Like
Start
freezing?
keeping them inside.
I guess so.
We're working on a new space to do tie-dyes at too, by the way, people, because all the noise in the background here. But I don't know. Announcement on that coming soon. Gotta have a warmer area. Perhaps a heated area to do this in. Indoors, but not in a house. A shop, so to speak. A workshop. Tie-dye workshop.
Sorry, Daddy.
It's okay. I'm the one that's sitting there. Put myself in the line of fire, you know, that's never a good idea. That's how things go wrong.
Let's take her inside.
To the inside?
This one is so colorful. I love this one.
I know. This was the first one I chose to render in post. Numero uno. Let me check, make sure there's no water on the lens. Shockingly, no.
Let's observe our beautiful gradient.
Yep. Getting it unbanded. Don't want to damage our gradient. Let's start getting it unbanded from Mama.
Getting it unbanded.
Maybe work on that one.
Okay. I'll go home and practice.
Her adlibs are the best when they're improv. Look at the speed of those hands. You know, people, this footage is not sped up. She just moves that fast.
All the time.
Sometimes. Her brain always moves that fast. The ideas definitely come that fast. Look at that beautiful gradient, man. Beautiful, beautiful gradient. I was very careful when I wrapped this one to make sure and not disturb the gradient that you had laid out. Make sure I'm giving it even wrapping. What we got?
Wow.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
Nice. Okay, that is nice. Look at that. Wow. Nice, nice, nice.
Wow, that's like a
Look at that deep
sunshine.
purple too. That's a nice deep purple.
It's like a little sunshine.
Yeah.
Wow.
Straight from one side to the other.
Beautiful. I love it.
It's the most beautiful color ever. Blue right in the middle. Oh yeah.
I love it.
I approve.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Gorgeous.
Yep, yep, yep. And here's the final result. Check that out. Okay, that came out really good. Wow. Let me hang it up so you can see it better. This is our diagonal pleated pattern, diagonal pleated rainbow. And yeah, look at that wonderful gradient just from corner to corner. Oh yeah, this looks pretty cool. Weren't sure how this was gonna come out. This was just a spur of the moment. Decided to give it a try, and it actually came out pretty good. Look at that, that's a good blending right there of colors too. Nice blending of colors. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and what you'd like to see us do next. Awesome. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.